Today is an example of how to replace this tail light that's inside the trunk door, right? Inside here we've got clearance lights or parking lights, are the top two here, and then the reverse light, right? So of course you got to pop your trunk. Under here, there's a little, this little cover here. You just pop it down, pull it out, and then with the screwdriver, or if you had a nut driver, either way, you got to take these screws out. Undo this clip by just squeezing the two tabs and pulling on it. There you go. And then you're going to pop it up and shift it to the left. Got to shift prior up, but be careful so you don't break off this tab. And then you got to push these clips in, and it pulls out the light mechanism. These top two, if you remember from when it was this way, so from when it was this way, you got these top two, which run the clearance lights or parking lights. This bottom one here is going to be the reverse light. So we just, like any bulb, these just pull out, and then push in your new ones, and then put it back together. Should make sure you use gloves when you touch the bulb, otherwise you might lessen its lifespan. Alright, so it's all snapped back together. Now we're going to put it back on. Get a little bit of that angle. Pop it in. Snaps in there. And then you'll tighten these. Put these back on here. Good and tight. Clap the clip. Make your little cover here. Snap on, good to go. And